Hello friends, welcome to my channel Scientist Words. I am your friend Ashwin. Today we're gonna talk about cancer's kryptonite, cutting edge research changing the game in this video. Welcome to the frontiers of the war against cancer. Gone are the days when chemotherapy and radiation were our only weapons. Today we're entering an era of smart, targeted and personalized cancer treatments that are turning the tide in our favor. We are not just fighting cancer, we are outsmarting it. From harnessing the power of our own immune system to using AI to predict cancer before it starts. The breakthroughs we are seeing are nothing short of revolutionary. So buckle up because we are about to dive into the cutting edge research that's giving cancer a run for its money and offering new hope to millions around the world. Let's start with the rockstar of cancer research, immunotherapy. Imagine turning your body's own immune system into a cancer fighting superhero. That's exactly what immunotherapy does. One breakthrough approach uses checkpoint inhibitors, drugs that essentially takes the brakes off our immune system, allowing it to recognize and attack cancer cells more effectively. Then there is CAR T cell therapy, where we actually reprogram a patient's own immune cells to become cancer killing machines. It's like giving our immune system a GPS directly to the cancer cells. And here is where it gets really exciting. Personalized cancer vaccines. By analyzing the unique genetic mutations in a patient's tumor, we can create vaccines that train the immune system to hunt down cancer cells with sniper-like precision. It's not just treatment, it's giving our body the tools to wage its own war on cancer. Next up, precision medicine, or as I like to call it, the right drug for the right patient at the right time. Thanks to advances in genomic sequencing, we now can read cancer's genetic playbook and tailor treatments accordingly. It's like having a unique blueprint of each patient's cancer. This allows for targeted therapies that zero in on the specific genetic mutations driving the cancer, minimizing damage to healthy cells. And here is a game changer, liquid biopsies. Instead of invasive tissue biopsies, we can now detect and monitor cancer through a simple blood test. This means we can track how a tumor is responding to treatment in real time and adjust our strategy on the fly. It's bringing a whole new level of precision to cancer care, turning treatment from a blunt instrument to a finely tuned approach. Now, let's think small, really small. Nanotechnology is opening up exciting new frontiers in cancer treatment. Imagine tiny particles, thousands of times smaller than a human hair. They can deliver drugs directly to cancer cells while sparing healthy tissue. It's like having a molecular sized FedEx service for cancer drugs. But that's not all. These nanoparticles can also be used for super precise imaging, allowing us to detect cancers earlier than ever before. And here, where is get really sci-fi? Theranostics. This combines therapy and diagnostics in one package. Picture nanoparticles that can now both detect cancer and deliver treatment simultaneously. It's like having a scout, sniper, and medic all rolled into one tiny package. Nanotechnology is turning cancer treatment into a precision operation at the molecular level. Artificial intelligence isn't just for self-driving cars and chatbots. It's becoming a more powerful ally in the fight against cancer. AI algorithms can analyze medical images with incredible accuracy, often detecting cancers that human eyes might miss. It's like having a tireless, super smart radiologist that never needs sleep. But it doesn't stop at detection. AI is also helping us optimize treatment plans by analyzing vast amounts of patient data to predict which therapies will work best for each individual. And here, where this gets really exciting. AI can help you stay one step ahead of cancer by predicting how it might evolve and resist treatment. is bringing a whole new strategy to cancer cure, turning treatment into a game of chess where we can anticipate cancer's moves before it makes them. Now, let's talk about stopping cancer before it starts. Enter epigenetics, the study of how our behaviors and environment can cause changes that affect the way our genes work. It turns out that many cancers are driven not just by genetic mutations, but by epigenetic changes that can potentially be reversed. This is opening up exciting new avenues for both prevention and treatment. On the prevention side, we are gaining a deeper understanding of how lifestyle factors like diet, exercise, and stress management can influence our epigenome and reduce cancer risk. It's empowering because it means we have more control over our cancer risk than we thought. On the treatment side, drugs that target epigenetic changes are showing promise in clinical trials. It's like having an eraser for some of the cellular changes that led to cancer. As we have seen, there are many exciting new weapons in our current anti-cancer arsenal. But the real magic happens when we combine them. Researchers are finding that combination therapies using multiple approaches simultaneously can be far more effective than any single treatment alone. It's like hitting cancer with a 1, 2, 3 punch that it can't dodge. This strategy is particularly promising for overcoming treatment resistance, one of the biggest challenges in cancer care. By attacking cancer from multiple angles, we make it much harder for it to develop resistance. The ultimate goal to turn even the most aggressive cancers into chronic manageable diseases. Imagine a future where cancer is treated like diabetes, a serious condition certainly, but one that people can live with for decades. With the pace of current research, the future might be closer than we think. And there you have it, a worldwide tour of the cutting edge research that revolutionizing cancer treatment. From unleashing our immune system to outsmarting cancer at the genetic level, from tiny nanoparticles to powerful AI, we're entering a new era in the fight against cancer. But remember, this fight isn't just happening in labs and hospitals. It's a collective effort that involves all of us. Clinical trials are the lifeblood of cancer research, and patient participation is crucial for moving these breakthroughs from the lab to the clinic. Whether you are considering a career in cancer research, thinking about participating in a clinical trial, or simply want to support this vital work, there are many ways to get involved. The future of cancer care is being written right now. It's looking brighter than ever. So stay informed, stay engaged, and who knows, you may just play a role in the next big cancer breakthrough. Together, we're not just fighting cancer, we are on our way to outsmarting it for good. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed exploring cancer's kryptonite, cutting edge research changing the game through this video. Revolutionary advancements are bringing us closer to defeating cancer. Stay hopeful and inspired by the progress of medicine and science. See you guys in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye bye.